Okay, here we have my freshly overhauled $10 heli, and good it is too to see it flying again. Lots of genuine aligned parts now in the head, main shaft, feathering shaft, damper rubbers, ball link ends, what else we got? Washout base. And I'm pleased to report that has solved my blade tracking issues. I just need to trim her out a little bit. She wants to go right slightly, but that's not a problem. I can't wait to take this to the field, give it a good thrash round. I've noticed actually the wind stability, there's very little wind today, might even chance a coaxial in a bit, but the wind stability seems to have improved. Yeah, let me just trim her out a little bit, let's bring it back to the helipad. That's better. Right. I don't know whether it shows in the camera, but the blades are absolutely spot on the tracking, so I'm really pleased. Despite the somewhat amusing fact that the washout base was the same value as the rest of the heli, well, the framed kit, for $10. But it's better for it. I don't know whether you can see up there, it's rather too bright. It's a problem with the garden being south facing. But yeah, it doesn't fall away after turns like it used to. Flies a little bit more like the GT in that regard. It's livelier than the GT, but it's a little bit more predictable like the GT. There's still more slop in the head than the GT. The GT is very tight. But, this has probably got twice the free play of the GT, which isn't very much. Whereas before I went for the overhaul, it was probably 5 or 6 times more slop in the head than the GT. Yeah. So just to compare a few of the parts, the aligned link rod ends were immeasurably superior to the Hobby King originals. Much snugger fit on the ball links. The feathering shaft, much of a muchness. The line was better machined, it fit over the bearings easier. The ends weren't so great on the Hobby King parts. What else? The damper rubbers were much of a muchness. Both. I thought the lines would be stiffer, but no. About the same. My friend Bob is over there walking his dog. Do we see him? It still wants trimming out a little bit. just trimming. That's trimming. Let's have a look. That's better. And the finishing touch was a little car wax on the canopy. It's whilst just floating about the garden you begin to realise the weakness of this particular Syro on this helicopter. It drifts a lot compared to the Syro I've got on the GT, which is a shame. Well, let's see if we can find Bob and Joan. Over there somewhere. Okay, there's my alarm. Very good. Pleased with that. Thanks for watching all.